my name is Detective Honeycomb, and we're here at Stratton Open Space to solve a mystery. I have gotten some reports of some terribly twisted trails, and I don't know what that can mean, so let's see if we can find some witnesses that can tell me a little bit of more of what's going on.
Look really familiar. Were we just here? Boy, this is not. Whoa!
Are you okay?
Yeah, that was really steep. Let's check the map really quick. I don't understand.
Okay.
I thought there was supposed to be a reservoir. Look. Code check says we're not even on a trail. Well, what happened? I have no idea.
First off, let's see what these witnesses have to say.
Hello. Thanks for meeting with us today, Detective Honeycomb.
Yeah, no problem. Can you tell me a little bit of what's been going on here?
Well, it's the darndest thing. I've been walking these trails for years and years, and I've noticed some of them have been kind of just going off to nowhere. I mean, they just keep appearing, and they just keep going off, up into the trees, and a lot of them just go nowhere. And I don't know, I just can't seem to really figure it out.
Interesting. Is there anything else that you've been noticing about these trails?
Well, yeah, I've noticed a lot of them have a lot of erosion, and I just don't understand why they would build more trails with all this erosion.
Interesting. Well, thank you for your time, Mr. Trekkerman, and I'm going to see if I can find any evidence and figure out what's up with all of these twisting trails.
I appreciate your time.
Yeah. So after talking to our witnesses and collecting some evidence, I think I might have solved the mystery. So the witnesses have told us that these trails seem to be appearing out of nowhere, and they don't really go anywhere, and they're very windy. And then I also was doing some research online. And I found some pictures of some of these trails in question. And when I was out here in Stratton Open Space, I actually found lots of trails that seem to be right next to each other. And I found a sign that said, these are not actually real trails at all. So I think all of these trails that our witnesses are describing are actually rogue trails, and they're not even supposed to be here in the first place. So I think we solved our terribly twisted trail mystery.
This reminds me of Leave No Trace principle number 2, which is traveling on durable surfaces. When humans go off trail, it not only creates unsustainable trails, but it also damages sensitive vegetation, and it scares the wildlife. It causes erosion around the land near the designated trail system. So the best way to keep our parks the happiest and healthiest is to always stay on designated trails. And when you see a puddle, just walk right through it rather than around it, so it doesn't widen the trail and it doesn't damage the land.